How to fix Uber app not working on Samsung phone. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, search Uber app from here. Uber app is here. If you want to fix Uber app not working problem, click on storage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, click on clear data. After the process, you will see a problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, so reinstall your Uber app. After reinstall, your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Uber app not working. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.